Welcome to Product Critique. In today's episode, we're taking a closer look at what we consider the best London fog jacket for women. The SaphiRose Women's Long Hooded Rain Jacket. It's not just another raincoat. This is a thoughtfully designed, versatile piece of outerwear that's been dominating the charts, and it's time to find out why. Let's start with the build. The outer shell is crafted from 100% polyester. Now, what that means in everyday terms is you're getting a fabric that's water-resistant, perfect for those light rainy days or misty morning walks. While it's not designed for torrential downpours, it's more than adequate for the typical drizzles and gusty days you might face on a commute or hike. The inner lining is soft, which is a detail you'll definitely appreciate after wearing it for hours. No scratchy sleeves or discomfort, just an easy, breathable feel. Fit is another highlight. SaphiRose designed this jacket with a relaxed silhouette, so it's roomy enough to layer underneath. That's a big win for colder months or trips where weather can be unpredictable. That said, if you prefer a slimmer look or aren't planning to layer much, they actually recommend going one size down. For reference, the model they used is 5 feet 9 inches and around 115 pounds, and she wears a size small comfortably. But remember, the size chart reflects the jacket dimensions, not body measurements, so check carefully before buying. Moving into features, the first thing that stands out is the waist and hood adjustability. You get drawstrings that let you cinch the waist for a more flattering fit or loosen it for a more relaxed one. The hood also adjusts, making it practical whether you're trying to keep wind out or just styling it down. Then there's the full front zipper reinforced with a snap button storm flap. That's extra protection against the elements and adds a polished, structured look to the coat. Storage is simple but secure. 2 snap button pockets on the sides, ideal for stashing your phone or keys when you're on the go. They're well positioned and deep enough to actually use, not just for looks. The jacket weighs about 2 pounds, which might feel a little heavier compared to ultralight packable jackets. But here's the trade-off, that weight gives it structure. It hangs nicely and resists that flimsy, plastic feel you sometimes get with lighter options. However, if you're looking for something that packs down into a pouch or your handbag, this isn't it. It's not packable, and it's not trying to be. Durability-wise, SaphiRose goes the extra mile. The seams are bound on the inside, which means no messy threads, no weak points. It's the kind of finish that makes a big difference over time, especially after repeated washing. Speaking of which, it can be machine washed on low heat or even dry cleaned. Hand washing is also an option if you're aiming to extend its life. As for where and when to wear it, honestly, this raincoat is a multitasker. Whether you're commuting to work, hiking trails, out walking the dog, or watching a game on a misty afternoon, this coat blends function and fashion in a way that just works. You're not going to feel underdressed or overdressed. It walks that fine line between outdoorsy and urban pretty well. Now let's talk color. We featured the khaki variant here, which has a timeless, neutral appeal. But the brand offers a full spectrum of color options, so whether you like muted tones or bold statements, there's likely one that suits your style. To wrap this up, SaphiRose's long hooded rain jacket nails a lot of the things we look for in weather-ready outerwear. It's practical, stylish, and designed with real-world use in mind. While it may not be the lightest or the most packable jacket out there, it makes up for that with comfort, quality, and thoughtful details. And at a price point between $49.99 and $59.99, it delivers serious value. Especially considering it's the #1 bestseller in women's active wind and rain outerwear. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to invest in a reliable rain jacket that balances style and function, the SaphiRose should absolutely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments, and let us know what product you want us to cover next.